What's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you pliers. So I'm going to get a quick video about the review because I don't really know much about it. So I'm just going to give you a review. Just let me cut the video for a second. So we open them to close them. Tell us in the comments if you know much about it. Send us an email comments to teach me about it. I will be watching the videos every day. So leave me the comment down below, right down below. So there's knives in here. I can only show them because I can't get them out easily. Don't say why I do this video. So I'm gonna show you a quick tour. Cut stuff, but you might need to ask someone if your dad gave a kid one of these. So knives, there's knives on both sides. Make sure there's nothing in it. Just when it's sturdy, just make sure you wash it. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe down below, and thanks for watching.